Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on your Samsung Galaxy A23 or A24 phone without a power button or with a broken power button. Now the first thing that you have to do is make sure your phone is charged, and then you'll need a computer. It can be a Mac computer or a Windows computer, doesn't matter, but the computer needs to be turned on. After that, take your phone's charging cable and then connect one end to the computer, and then take the other end of the cable to connect to your phone, but not yet. I'll show you when. So at this point, what you have to do is press and hold both the volume up button and the volume down button at the same time together. So volume up, volume down at the same time, press and hold, and then take the charging cable and then put it in your phone. Now give it a few seconds, you'll see the screen will light up, and here we go. Now, once you see the screen, you need to be very careful. You can only press the volume down button, but you cannot press the volume up button. So be very careful. Do not press the volume up button, only press the volume down button. Now, if we press the volume down button, you'll see the phone will now start, as you can see. And at this point, you can remove the charging cable from your phone. And once your phone starts up, you can just use your password to unlock it and then use the phone. And that is how you can start or turn on your Samsung Galaxy A23 or A24 phone without a power button or with a power button that is not working. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.